Hi, my name is Sergey and I am product expert here at Railsware. Today I'm going to talk about prioritization. Why? Because prioritization played a significant role in the success of feature-rich applications like Slack, GitHub, Trello and many others. In Railsware, we use MoSCoW for setting priorities, and today you will discover more about this methodology and how it can help you to resolve the long list of your tasks. MoSCoW is a weird naming, isn't it? But it has nothing to do with Russian capital. So what is it all about? MoSCoW comes from a combination of 4 letters, M, S, C and W. Each letter denotes the category that you can assign to the product, feature or a task. M stands for must-have, S stands for should have, C stands for could have, and W stands for won't have this time. The method initiator backlog added 2 O's for better pronounceability. You can apply the framework for all levels of project prioritization, from top to bottom, as well as to all functions and focus areas. But how can you estimate the importance of a certain task, process, or feature? For this, you need to know the prioritization rules. Must-have are top priority requirements. Your pipeline mostly rests on them. If any undone task can block the entire project or feature activities, it is a must-have. To define this priority category, you can use such pointers as required for launch, request for safety, or required for validation, and so on. Should have are requirements of a secondary priority. They do not affect the launch and are considered important but not crucial. If undone, a should-have task is unlikely to block the entire project. Could-haves. This priority category is less important than the previous ones but still wanted. If you can sacrifice a certain task or feature till deadline, it's a could-have. Traditionally, could-haves can be implemented when a project is not highly constrained in time. Within the product development, you can call them low-cost tweaks. Won't-haves this time. Won't-haves define the lowest priority for tasks. As a rule, if you can afford some task or feature within a budget or deadline, it is marked as won't-have. That's why this category is sometimes called would-have or wish-to-have. Ask yourself if you can go back to a feature when things go better. If yes, prioritize it as won't have this time. Everything looks simple and clear, but is it so in practice? Let's check out how MoSCoW prioritization framework works through the example of simple web application. As a sample, we're going to use basic functions taken from one of Railsware products. Here is the list of features. Sign up, login, choose the billing system, open a time tracking page, choose time tracking options, create a mobile app, choose the app's visual theme. Based on these requirements, we can single out the fundamental features to be implemented in the minimum viable product. So let's make a priority analysis and define the top priority features. A user must sign up, login. A user must open a time tracking page. Once we've got must-haves, let's filter out important but not vital functionalities of the application. A user should choose the billing system. A user should choose time tracking options. In the future, the app can be available on mobile devices. However, this task is only nice to have at this point. That's why we say a user could use a mobile app. And now, the least priority feature. Theme selectability is definitely not what we're going to make now. Once the app is on track, we'll need to enhance the user experience. So let's have this feature saved for later. A user won't choose the app's visual theme this time. The most difficult thing about prioritization is to be icily intelligent and focus on the essential tasks to be done. Otherwise, you can get into the everything is must trap when any important feature turns into must-have. Check out our video What is MVP for more details. And that's why MoSCoW prioritization framework is so cool. It allows you to define a basic set of features with top priorities. And also, you don't have to abandon anything. The healthy balance between must-haves and should-haves is about 50% of the entire scope. All the tasks, or almost all, will be implemented, but later, in order of importance to your major goal. Now you know what MoSCoW prioritization framework is and how you can apply it in your project. For more videos about product development, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, press like and share your feedback in comments. See you!